So, seated comfortably on a chair with the bassinet on the dining table, filling the bassinet about 60%. We inhale outside. We place our head into the water from the chin, almost till the neck and jaws, to the forehead. And we exhale. As soon as you exhale, come out before there is a impending need to inhale again. So before that, when you want to inhale again, come out before you run out of breath. All right. Now, once you are out, only for all those of you who have already done this, don't worry about the count, but all those who have already done this, if you've not done this, first do this one round. Hydrotherapy, inhale out, exhale in. See, the fact that your face is in water means you obviously cannot inhale inside. You have to inhale outside. When you go in, exhale, 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 gurup, 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 you will exhale. Don't worry if the exhalation is 3 or 7 or 10. Don't bother. After you've done that is when you start Kapalbhati. Okay? So now start Kapalbhati if you've done the exhale, exhale. Discontinue Kapalbhati and let's together do one more round. So having a bassinet 50 to 60% full with normal tap water, seated on your dining chair with the bassinet on your dining table, we inhale fully, dig the entire face in the water. I was comfortable with 12 exhalations. As you see, I counted. At the 13th exhalation, I noticed that my lungs were completely empty. So I came out to inhale. Now, what you will do is in the next round, after inhaling fully and going in, you will start exhaling to count. Count your exhalations. This is like how you breathe when you do breaststroke or freestyle when we go swimming. In swimming, we go inhale out of the water, head in. That's how my trainer used to teach me when I learned swimming. We exhale in the water, guruk, 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 guruk in the breaststroke. Or in freestyle, this is how it went. Inhale, head is out, guruk, 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 guruk. You exhale inside the water. That's the way we have to do it. Inhale out, exhale in. You will notice immediate improvement and changes within one day. For those of you who are heavy snorers, you will notice, you will be told that now you snore less and gentle. It actually reverses sleep apnea, oxygenates the heart, reverses convulsions, because it slows down our breath and makes our exhalations longer than our inhalations. So for those of us who have vertigo, claustrophobia, panic attacks, depressive anxieties. You know how we go when we are thrown into the water? We're scared, or suddenly we are in the shower. If the bathroom cubicle is small, especially connected with menopausal situations, depressions, panic attacks, depressive anxieties, all this will reverse phenomenally well. Our mental health is more important than our physical health, too. I need each one of you who's watching me and watching this video to please practice hydrotherapy. Inhalations are out, exhalations are from the mouth, in the water, with a count, with rhythm. It's okay if it's fast, we will learn to slow down, but a rhythm. Okay, let's do it one more time. So if you notice, when I'm coming out, I'm not out of breath. I have just come out to take another inhale since I can't inhale in the water. So just notice that when we come out for an inhalation, we don't come out till there is an impending need to inhale. Okay? Once we are out, after doing say 2 or 3 more rounds, we do a few more Kapalabhatis. So we start again with Kapalabhati at your own pace, your own speed. Let's see if we can get those unginat benefits from Kapalabhati and combining it with hydrotherapy. Completely, totally invented, discovered by me. You still here see a lot of unusual blends. You won't see this hydrotherapy anywhere else. For gas, acidity, flatulence, for heat, pimples, acne, imbalance in the Vat, Pitta, Kapha, that is the 3 humors. For sleep apnea, for snoring, excessive hair fall, dark circles. For sinuses, while the head is in, you can rub the water around the eyes. You will see a lot of mucus coming out. For memory, rediscover yourself with this new blend that I am showing you. And realize that you may have rewired yourself today with me, but the healing journey has to continue. I am unable to work on all areas of your health, especially the one particular one that you may have, a cardiovascular situation or immunity post-COVID, or any of the brothers and sisters of COVID in a short time. I need your support. Find your options, find your callings. Start with this humble beginning. Inhale out, exhale in. Let's go back to the water. Discontinue Kapalabhati. You will have, just like last time, you will see my husband assisting me here because I want to talk while it is being done. Like going for a swim at home. Inhale. Make your first exhalation in the water itself. Gudup, 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 gudup. Guruk, guruk, guruk. Problems, pressures, stresses of daily life got our exhalations very shallow and very short. So the sighs happened really not the way the breath should. Hence, here we learn how to have our exhalations done longer, in resonance and rhythmically. Here you see Sunil inhaling outside, exhale, 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 exhale. So it is all puraks when we are out and rechaks when we are in. That's it. Last round. One more round and we are done. And you'll notice a lot of facial heat coming out. So please suggest this to those who have pimples, acne, excessive hair fall, pigmentation, burning of the skin, darkening of the skin. Thank you.